50 people, 6 countries, endless cultures, stepping up for one reason.
For 1 week, Kemer will be the home of discovery, knowledge exchange, new perspectives, and unforgettable connections.
In the heart of Turkey, the souls of an entire Europe will become one vision.
Different language, different stories, but one shared future.
Through workshops, discussions, simulations, and teamwork, young people came together not only to understand the climate context of their world, but to become part of the solution.
Because climate change is not a distant problem. It is here,
In our seas,
In our mountains,
In our forests,
In our cities,
In our everyday lives.
and while the world keeps changing, so do we. Ideas turned into action, strangers turned into teams, teams turned into friendships.
from learning how small actions create a big impact to discovering how culture and knowledge connect, every moment became part of something bigger.
This may seem boring, but there's also fun in it.
because the best change happens when the activities end, when the barriers collapse and people truly connect.
it was about sunsets after long days, late-night conversations, sharing meals, music, traditions, and memories.
trips through Kemer, jumping in the sea, climbing Turkey's mountains, cultural nights full of color and energy, moments that no camera could fully capture, but none of us will ever forget.
For 1 week, we were more than participants. We were a community, a family, a generation ready to act. And this is only the beginning of the change.